What if I told you just 2 eggs a day could completely transform your body, boost your brain power, and supercharge your energy? Sounds simple, right? But science says it's real, and here's how. 1. Muscle powerhouse. Each egg contains 6 to 7 grams of complete protein. That means all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build lean muscle, repair tissue, and feel stronger naturally. 2. Brain booster. Eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient 90% of people don't get enough of. Choline helps improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. It's especially important for pregnant women and older adults. 3. Protects your eyes. Inside that yolk are lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that reduce the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. These nutrients literally protect your vision from aging. 4. Stronger bones and immunity. Eggs are one of the few foods that naturally contain vitamin D, supporting healthy bones, teeth, and a resilient immune system, especially important if you're indoors a lot. Number 5. Heart healthy. Surprise! Worried about cholesterol? Don't be. Modern research shows moderate egg intake actually raises good HDL cholesterol without significantly affecting heart health for most people. Bonus, natural energy. Eggs contain vitamin B12 and iron, giving you a steady energy boost throughout the day without caffeine crashes. So, if you're skipping eggs, you might be missing out on one of nature's most complete foods. Just 2 eggs a day. Simple, affordable, life-changing. Try it for 7 days and comment what you feel. Like, share, and follow for more science-backed wellness tips.